A slab box.
Go out into the field and rap to those people, rap to those people, rap to those people.
I got the concrete under my feet. I got the shoddy right next to my body. I got the hood, Nelson Street, did you float on? I got the ease back style. Watch out, what I'm tight. Noise, 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 noise. To summarize a lick at the man with the stick comes strategy. Fight at night, New York pieces can squeeze the other way. While Gene A and Sunny Stick sit. We latitude sway, we determinedly pray. He swings the whole sphere in original scarcity. Low speak, so scream in a whisper. Blow the house white over black people grow. We make golden noise, 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 noise.
I got the buck wild style to make you get hyper. I got the knowledge of God, sevens all in my cipher. I got the New York hip hop, so it goes on and on. Use my mind, pen and paper, then the rhyme is nine. Mine held down well, so you can't touch it. When I discharge, fools pray for peace. Beats all on my back, it's just like that in Brooklyn. So I vibrate and shake them off like Fleet.
I got the power, like for 24 hours. I got the love pump, Brooklyn don't front. I got the fly joints packed like that, like that. I got the slow mo, pick up my flow, get my click. I give us with the blowouts, develop your envelope, stand bit and bit, raise your razor blade. Found downtown in the land of crooks. My pop said books, I said sneaks and
Экспериментирование дает развитие стиля. В проекте Футовка человек рисует другие буквы, тем самым не ограничивается рисованием постоянным, рисованием своего точного эскиза, а развивает свой стиль.
Люблю экспериментировать с формами, это мое самое любимое занятие. Отличный проект, это здорово, тренирует воображение, тренирует